In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at how we can pass arguments to a console application in debug mode. So you have your console application over here. You can right click on the Solution Explorer's console application project name and then choose properties from it. You'll get this form, and there you need to click on the Debug Menu option, and here you'll see this command line arguments feature. So let's go ahead and enter some weird numbers over here as argument and save this. Now I'll go to program.cs file, and here what I've written is, if the argument's length is greater than 0, then whatever is the first parameter will print that thing out over here in the console. So let's have a breakpoint over here and here as well. Let's run it now. So you can see here in debug mode it's coming up over here, and the length, if I hover on this, is 1. And here if I go ahead and show you the argument, it's the same argument coming from the debug tab property that we set. And let's continue. So here in the console, this is what will be printed. In order to show you, I'll have to write one more line over here, and let's run it again. Here you can see the option is coming as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is the argument that we passed from the console applications debug menu option. That's how you can use the debug tab or menu option to pass runtime arguments using this command line arguments feature and test your application.